Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Sign into iCloud or Google from another phone or computer. This starts remote tracking. Once signed in, enable Lost Mode or Find My Device to lock the screen and show a contact number. This prevents misuse. Make sure to note the last seen location and timestamp, plus model and EMEI if available, because that information is what you will give to police or your carrier. Don't wait. Every minute counts for location accuracy. Once the device is reporting a location, refine it. Check Google Timeline or iCloud location history for movement, and look at recent IP addresses from account activity pages. Then contact your carrier to suspend service and request EMEI tracing. This helps law enforcement. Meanwhile, gather evidence. Take screenshots of locations, copy any messages or calls that appear, and note exact timestamps. This creates a paper. Move to recovery. Report the theft to police with the EMEI, screenshots, and precise coordinates. This lets them request carrier assistance legally. Do not attempt to recover the phone yourself. Never confront a suspected thief. Coordinate with police instead. If the device shows offline, enable alerts for when it comes online and periodically recheck Find My or Find Device. Troubleshoot. If location stops updating, verify account access and change passwords. If access is blocked, use EMEI and carrier help to escalate the search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.